Hey everyone, welcome to G-Reviews. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be taking you on a quick tour. We chose this for our first stop on our European vacation for a few different reasons. The first and foremost was it was an affordable price. It was very modern. It was centrally located. You're about 3 minutes to the Piccadilly Circus tube station, which you can get to pretty much anywhere in London from. You're super close to Chinatown, so if you like really good food, you're gonna have a great time being in the Chinatown area. Last but not least, like I said, it was super cozy. We'll go ahead and get into the footage here in just a moment. It's a quick tour of the Zedwell Piccadilly Circus. This room is called the Cacoon 2, Cocoon for 2. So kind of you come in, it's very feng shui, and my wife's about 5'10", so you can see how much, 5'8", how much space is in there. Yeah, quite spacious. The AC doesn't seem too good yet, but we'll see. Really, there's not much in the way of plugs. You got a couple different plugs up here next to your head. You can turn the lights off right next to there, which is nice. Some hooks for drawing. You've got the bathroom here, a nice big door on a track. And then you have a nice lighted mirror there. Everything's kind of modern. Maybe your buttons for your toilet there. And then the shower is just kind of open, but it's a rainfall shower here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's the entire room. Pretty small, but it'll do the job while we're here in London.